Ever pondered how blockchain technology could revolutionize our world? If you haven't, let's take a moment to explore this intriguing domain. Blockchain, a term that's been buzzing around for quite a few years now, is considered an ingenious invention. Created by an individual or a group of individuals, known by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, it was initially devised for the digital currency, Bitcoin. However, the tech community found other potential uses for the technology, and it has since evolved into something greater. Imagine a world where every transaction you make, from buying groceries to acquiring a property, is transparent and secure, with no need for intermediaries like banks or governments. This is the world that blockchain promises. It is a decentralized system where information exists as a shared database. This information is continually reconciled and updated and is accessible to anyone on the network. This technology is not just about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. The core idea behind blockchain is a decentralized democratic system where trust is established through mass collaboration and clever coding. This could revolutionize various sectors, from finance to healthcare, from voting systems to supply chains. The potential of blockchain is immense. It could potentially rewrite the economic power grid and the old order of human affairs for the better. If you're wondering how, then you're asking the right questions. The answer lies in the unique properties of blockchain. Blockchain technology is transparent, secure, and incorruptible. It is like a digital ledger of economic transactions that can be programmed to record not just financial transactions, but virtually everything of value. This ledger can't be altered, only appended, making it an ideal solution for recording events, medical records, and other records management activities. Indeed, blockchain is an intriguing world, pregnant with possibilities. It's like a seed that has been planted, which, with the right nurturing, can sprout into a tree that bears fruit for all. Now, let's delve into the nuts and bolts of this revolutionary technology. So, what exactly is this blockchain we keep talking about? You can think of blockchain as a kind of digital ledger, but unlike your traditional ledger, this one is open to everyone and is not managed by any single entity. Instead, it's decentralized, distributed across a network of computers, or nodes as they're called, each holding a copy of the entire blockchain. Imagine a book, a public book, where anyone can pen down a story, but once a story is written, it can't be changed or erased. Each new story, or block, is linked to the one before it, creating a chain of stories, hence the name blockchain. Now, let's dive a bit deeper. Each block contains a list of transactions. When a new transaction occurs, it's added to the block of the person initiating it. And here's the cool part. Before this block can be added to the chain, it must be validated by a majority of the nodes in the network. This process is known as consensus, and it's what keeps the blockchain secure and trustworthy. The magic of blockchain lies in its transparency and immutability. Since every node has a copy of the blockchain, any attempt to alter a transaction will be noticed by the entire network. The altered block will be rejected and the original block restored. This makes tampering with transactions virtually impossible, ensuring the integrity of the data. And because it's decentralized, there's no need for a middleman, like a bank or government, to verify transactions. This not only speeds up the process, but also reduces costs and increases privacy. What's more, each transaction is timestamped and linked to the previous one, creating a chronological order that's easy to track and verify. This traceability is particularly useful in industries like supply chain management, where tracking the origin of goods is crucial. With that basic understanding, it's time to uncover the myriad applications of blockchain. Most associate blockchain with cryptocurrencies, but it's like saying the internet is only for email. Yes, it's true that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have been the most high-profile use cases of blockchain, but the technology's potential stretches far beyond digital money. Think of blockchain as a fundamentally new way of sharing information, a decentralized ledger that is transparent, secure, and immutable. These properties make blockchain attractive for a range of applications that extend beyond cryptocurrency. Let's delve into some examples. And the first one that comes to mind is supply chain management. With numerous entities involved, from manufacturers to retailers, supply chains can be complex and opaque. But imagine a blockchain-powered supply chain, where each product has a digital passport, allowing it to be tracked accurately from source to consumer. This not only ensures transparency, but also helps combat counterfeit goods. Next, let's consider healthcare, where patient data, security, and privacy are paramount. With blockchain, medical records could be stored in decentralized networks, ensuring data, security, and giving patients control over their personal information. Moreover, it could improve the traceability of drugs, preventing fraudulent activities in the pharmaceutical industry. Lastly, let's talk about voting systems. The traditional voting process is time-consuming and susceptible to manipulation. But what if we could vote digitally using a blockchain system? It would not only make the process more efficient, but also transparent and tamper-proof, enhancing the integrity of electoral processes. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg. Blockchain could revolutionize legal contracts with smart contracts, disrupt the music industry by enabling artists to sell their work directly to fans, and so much more. But of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are challenges and limitations to implementing blockchain technology, which we'll delve into in the next scene. For now, let's marvel at the potential of this ingenious technology. It's clear that blockchain has the potential to disrupt various industries, but how? Well, stay tuned and we'll explore the disruption through blockchain in the next scene. Imagine a world where trust is digitized and transactions are transparent. Welcome to the world of blockchain, where this is not just a fantasy, but a reality. Through the magic of this technology, industries across the globe are experiencing disruption on a remarkable scale. Let's take a step back and think about what makes blockchain so transformative. At its core, it ensures transparency in a way that no other technology has done before. Each transaction is recorded on a public ledger, visible to all participants. This transparency fosters trust among parties, reduces fraud, and eliminates the need for intermediaries. Consider a real-world example, the diamond industry. Diamonds, precious and often steeped in controversy, pass through numerous hands before reaching the consumer. Here's where blockchain comes in. By recording each transaction on the blockchain, From the mine to the jeweler, we can ascertain the diamond's origin and ensure it's conflict-free. The result? A transparent, ethical diamond trade. Let's shift gears to another industry, supply chain management. It's a complex web of manufacturers, shippers, and retailers. With blockchain, each step of a product's journey can be traced accurately. This not only deters counterfeit goods, but also improves efficiency and accountability. But the disruption doesn't stop there. Imagine buying a house without the need for a middleman, or voting in an election where results are transparent and tampering is virtually impossible. These are just a few of the countless possibilities blockchain presents. Blockchain is like a digital handshake, a pact sealed in code. It's transforming industries by instilling trust where it's most needed. And yet, it's not a magic bullet. Like any technology, it comes with its own set of challenges. Indeed, blockchain holds the power to reshape our world. But it's not all roses, yet its potential is undeniable, and its impact is only beginning to unfold. The power of blockchain lies in its simplicity, a transparent, secure record of transactions. And as we step into the future, this power is set to disrupt, innovate, and redefine the world as we know it. While blockchain promises a lot, it also comes with its own set of challenges. First on our list of challenges is scalability. As blockchain networks grow, they may struggle to handle a large number of transactions simultaneously. This is because every node in the network must process every transaction, leading to possible bottlenecks and slower transaction speeds. The Bitcoin network, for instance, can handle only 7 transactions per second, compared to Visa's 24,000 per second. The second major challenge is energy consumption. The process of adding new blocks to the blockchain, known as mining, requires significant computational power and therefore a lot of energy. For example, the Bitcoin network alone consumes more electricity annually than some small countries. This raises major environmental concerns, especially in the era of climate change and sustainable development. Thirdly, we have regulatory concerns. Blockchain operates in a decentralized manner, which can pose challenges for regulatory authorities. The absence of a central authority makes it difficult to enforce rules and regulations, making the technology vulnerable to misuse. Furthermore, the anonymity provided by blockchain can be exploited for illegal activities such as money laundering and tax evasion. Another challenge worth mentioning is the lack of interoperability between different blockchain systems. Each blockchain operates on its own rules and protocols, making it difficult for them to communicate and work together. This can hinder the widespread adoption of the technology. Lastly, there's the issue of public perception. Despite its potential, blockchain is still often associated with the volatility and unpredictability of cryptocurrencies, which can deter individuals and businesses from embracing the technology. Despite these challenges, the future of blockchain looks promising. With ongoing research and development, solutions are being explored to address these issues. For instance, new consensus algorithms are being developed to reduce energy consumption, and efforts are being made to standardize blockchain protocols for better interoperability. Despite these challenges, the future of blockchain looks promising. So, what does the future hold for blockchain technology? Well, if we're to take a glimpse into the crystal ball of tomorrow's technological world, it's safe to say that blockchain holds a promising and transformative role. As we move forward, we anticipate an era where blockchain is no longer just associated with cryptocurrencies, but a fundamental part of various sectors. Imagine a world where blockchain technology is integrated into healthcare systems, enabling secure and efficient exchange of medical records, or a world where supply chains are transparent, traceable, and tamper-proof. These are not far-fetched ideas, but the potential realities of a blockchain-driven future. In the realm of finance, blockchain could further democratize financial services, enabling peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries. It could also provide a platform for developing nations to leapfrog traditional banking systems and move directly into a digital financial world. In the public sector, blockchain could revolutionize the way governments function by providing transparency, reducing corruption, and enhancing the delivery of public services. Imagine voting systems where every votee is recorded on a secure, immutable blockchain, ensuring fair and transparent elections. And let's not forget the exciting potential of blockchain in the world of Internet of Things. Devices could communicate and transact in secure, automated ways, creating a seamless and efficient digital ecosystem. But perhaps one of the most exciting prospects is the concept of decentralized applications, or dApps. These applications run on a P2P network of computers rather than a single computer. And because they are on a blockchain, they are not controlled by any single entity. This could revolutionize industries from entertainment to finance and beyond. Now, while these possibilities are exciting, it's important to remember that these are potential developments. There are still numerous challenges to overcome, from scalability issues to regulatory uncertainties. But one thing is clear: the potential of blockchain is vast, and its impact could be transformative. The future of blockchain is indeed bright, and we're just at the beginning. So, we've journeyed through the fascinating world of blockchain. Let's take a moment to revisit our voyage. We started with the basics, exploring the intriguing world of blockchain, a technology that promised to revolutionize the way we deal with data. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized, distributed ledger that records transactions across multiple computers, ensuring security, transparency, and integrity. We then delved deeper, breaking down blockchain, understanding how blocks of information are chained together. We learned that once a block is added to the chain, it is virtually impossible to alter it, creating a system that is highly resistant to fraud and manipulation. Beyond the realm of cryptocurrency, we saw how blockchain could be applied to various industries. From supply chain management to healthcare, from voting systems to real estate, blockchain has the potential to bring about a new era of trust and efficiency. We also discussed how blockchain could disrupt existing systems by eliminating the need for intermediaries. It could streamline processes, reduce costs, and open up new avenues for innovation. However, like all technologies, blockchain has its challenges. Scalability, energy consumption, and regulatory issues are among the hurdles that need to be overcome. As for the future of blockchain, we pondered on the possibilities. With advancements like smart contracts and decentralized applications, blockchain could redefine the way we interact with the world. But it's not just about the technology, it's about the societal shifts it could trigger, the power dynamics it could alter, the new economic models it could enable. As we stand on the brink of a blockchain revolution, the question isn't if it will transform our world, but how and when. It's a journey that we're all part of, a journey that's just beginning. So let's keep exploring, let's keep questioning, and let's keep dreaming of a world where trust is a given, where transparency is the norm, and where technology serves the greater good.